Okay, guys, before I turn over, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss any of our new videos. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Yep, guys, I'm on Emma's account, and let's just say this is not the vibe. Really not the vibe. Now, Emma has a username. You guys know. I'm pretty sure you guys know. It's Emma the Great 22229. This account is really random. Okay, so just to let you know, I'm on her account and I'm planning to ding dong ditch people. Yeah, guys, I know it's not really a vibe right now. I'm more cheesy than a vibe. I mean, if you're saying a vibe like I look gross, then I guess like that is. Oh, is this the owner of the house? Okay, wait. They don't even have a doorbell, so. Wait, let's see if this is his house. Yeah, we can't touch. Ooh. Excuse me? Guys, as you know, I always get disconnected in my ding dong ditching videos. This is so annoying. I really don't like getting ding dong ditched. So maybe I should play my main game. Emma did not even add me. How rude is that? Like, I really wanted to be her friend on Roblox, and she didn't add me. So, what's better than making her look bad? No, I'm kidding, guys. I'd never do this. Unless if she really wanted me to. But other than that, nah, girl. Come on, load avatar. Okay, so guys, I'm usually in this avatar. I'm gonna add her, and when I get onto my account, I'm gonna add me. My goal to always be Ooh Fairy, who I am right now. Weird. Who I wanted to be dumber than SpongeBob. Guys, I feel like I'm gonna get caught. I literally am right. Like, there's an open door. See, that's not even locked. So, I'm gonna go get onto my main account. Oh, and even better than me, I forgot to put on my headphones. Brookhaven has literally the best music and with people's cars. I literally just now noticed this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me add Dan's email. Sorry guys, we did it. We saved our account or her account because guys, really gets locked out on this account a lot. Oh my gosh. These headphones, I keep on forgetting to put on. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put them all on the whole time. These, I really don't like the pink. Like, oh, and they're so small, like that. They don't even fit my head. Wanna watch the most boring part? I literally, like, I don't like this verification at all. Oh, I'm almost verified, so eek. Roblox thinks I don't know how to read, so they like do like the easy verification for me. Cause when I type so much, they think I misspell, so they do like, that's just what I'm assuming, isn't it? Would Roblox even do this? That like I don't know. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I feel like being in my brother's room gives me so much bad luck. And guys, now that you guys hear that I'm in my brother's room, this probably makes more sense that I got disconnected. Also, yeah, I'm on a tablet. I haven't filmed on a PC in like a super long time. Like, filming on my PC isn't really me. I don't really like filming on my PC. This verification is easy, but guys, correct me if I get this wrong. Like, all my verification wrong. Like, what if I got that bad? Okay, let's see. Okay. Guys. I am seriously getting bad luck right now. Like. It's just. I knew someone was gonna get me off like this. So like, fingers crossed. Okay, one last verification. Please have me let me get in. I'm gonna put this on. Like, I feel like filming myself worse. Like, I'm sorry, I have such a horrible stand. Like, it's really bad. Guys, I'm literally like, fingers crossed, guys. I really want to get logged into my account. Okay, guys, I give up. But before I leave, I'm gonna give you a tour. His basketball hoops, because we know he loves basketball. Bed, he never picks that up. Toys, clothes. This actually is basically all our sister. Shoes, more clothes. Look at this guy, right here, and his books. He really never reads. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye.